Better Home and Gardens product you can get right now on YouTube Shop. This bronze finish vanity shelf is on sale down from $16.97 to $10.50. It has 2 shelves along with wirings on the side where you can clip things on the sides, all types of things. It's very nice and beautiful, nice and sturdy for your office desk, your vanity area, anything like that. This Better Home and Gardens vanity mirror is a beautiful setup. It has a mirror that moves around as well as a tray underneath, very nice and lightweight, not heavy at all. Have you always wanted a bath tray but just couldn't pick yourself up to just purchase it? Well, it's on sale right now at Walmart, down from $29.98 to $24.98. This bath towel is constructed from real bamboo. It keeps books and tablets in place with a stand, a wine glass slot, and a solid surface for holding your phone, soap, and more. This vanity organizer is on sale from $24.97 to $22. This is so beautiful, a stone finish, very beautiful, versatile for any spot in the home. This can be on your vanity desk, this can be on your regular desk, this can be on your entertainment stand, anywhere. It has a nice stone finish. It's very hardy, it's very sturdy, and a little bit on the heavy side, but it's perfect for the price. This container from Better Homes and Goods is a covered jar set. It's a stackable set. It's versatile stacking design. It helps to organize items throughout your home. It's a ceramic textured finish. It comes with 3 pieces, a top, as well as 2 of the jars. Beautiful. Down from $19.97 to $12. Don't sleep on Walmart for the trash cans. If you're in the need for a trash can, because yes, girl, we always buy stuff and we need to throw it away. These are on sale, down from $8.97, down from $6.94 to $5.50.